Cats are known for their impressive vocal range, capable of making over 100 different sounds to communicate. From meows, purrs, and hisses to growls and chirps, each sound serves a distinct purpose in expressing their needs, emotions, or intentions. In contrast, dogs have a simpler vocal repertoire with around 10 different sounds. These include barks, growls, whines, and howls, which are used to communicate with humans and other animals. This vast difference in vocalization highlights the unique ways cats and dogs interact with their environment and their human companions, each using their own special language to convey messages.